Shebe's bail application is back in court today, and things are getting intense. The Limpopo singer faces serious charges, including 3 accounts of attempted murder, assault, robbery, and possession of an unlicensed firearm. The allegations stem from an October 2025 incident in Polokwane where he allegedly opened fire on a vehicle, leaving 1 passenger critically injured. The states added new charges, citing fresh evidence, and prosecutors urge Shebe possesses a threat to public safety. They are pushing him to remain in custody, citing concern about witness influence. His defense team, however, will likely urge the state's court isn't strong enough, emphasizing Shebe's innocence until proven guilty. Shebe's case has sparked widespread attention in Limpopo music scene. Supporters have gathered outside the courthouse, while others express alarm at the severity of the allegations. The court's decision today could determine whether he'll stay in custody or be released on strict bail conditions. The court will weigh factors like the gravity of the offenses, evidence quality, and the likelihood of Shebe facing trial. With the state completing its investigation, the case is ready for trial and the prosecution's pushing for a regional court date. Shebe's next court appearance is scheduled for March 27, 2026. Will he get bail or will he stay behind bars? The outcome's uncertain, but one thing's clear, this case is far from over.